Hi there, 7th graders. Miss Timmons here to talk about paraphrasing. So you're about to get started on your science fair research, and paraphrasing is something that you are going to have to know how to do. So let's begin. Paraphrasing is taking information that you read in your research and putting it into your own words. We do this because by paraphrasing, we avoid plagiarism, and we also demonstrate that we understood what we read. Now, there are some guidelines for paraphrasing. Just think of the 3 R's. First, we have to realize that some words and phrases cannot be changed. Names, dates, titles, etc. cannot be replaced, but you can present them differently in your paraphrase. The second R is reword. Replace words and phrases with synonyms whenever you can. The third R is rearrange. Rearrange words within sentences to make new sentences. You can even rearrange the ideas presented within the paragraph. So let's look at an example. At just 8.5 square miles, the Pacific island country of Nauru is one of the smallest countries in the world. The island was once rich in phosphate, but most of the resource has been mined, leaving damage to the environment behind. Nauru has a population of about 10,000 people. So first, we need to realize that some of those things just can't be changed because they're facts. Some examples are 8.5 square miles. That's just how big it is. It's an island in the Pacific Ocean. Its name is Nauru. It's small. Phosphate is the mineral that's mined there. I'm choosing to keep this word environment. Now, you can choose to keep some words the same if you really like those words or if you feel like they're the best words. So I am choosing to keep environment. And then I also can't do anything about the 10,000 people. That's just a fact. Okay, so my second step is to reword. Now I have highlighted in blue some words that I feel I can find synonyms for. Okay, so here are my synonyms. I'm going to change country to nation, world to planet, rich to plentiful, resource to supply, damage to harm, and I'm going to change that whole phrase, population of about 10,000 people, I'm going to change that to 10,000 people live there. Okay, now this is what it sounds like with those new words plugged in. At just 8.5 square miles, the Pacific island nation of Nauru is one of the smallest nations on the planet. The island was once plentiful in phosphate, but most of the supply has been mined, leaving harm to the environment behind. Nauru has 10,000 people living there. Okay, so I'm getting closer, but I still need to rearrange. This is too close to the original. This would still be considered plagiarizing. So I need to rearrange my thoughts so that they are 100% my own. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have rearranged it. Nauru is a Pacific island nation that is only 8.5 square miles in area. It is one of the smallest nations on the planet, and only about 10,000 people live there. Nauru has mined its once plentiful supplies of phosphate. This has harmed the environment on the island. Okay, so you see how that is an entirely different passage than the one we began with. Okay, there are still some facts in there that are the same, but like I said, those are things that you are allowed to keep because they are facts. Okay, now remember, it's realize, reword, rearrange. So I want you to try this with your task cards right now.